What's up, guys? It's Monaco here, and just want to make a quick demonstration video for Heartful Egg. Um, I had posted this online earlier, but I forgot to turn the record sound button on, so I was recording into a dead mic. I do apologize. I should have checked it before I put it online, but I was in a hurry to get it online before I went to bed. And I kind of wanted to make the video and get a thread posted and all kinds of nonsense. I wanted to do it in a timely manner, but you know, sometimes making sure you got things right is a little bit better than expedience, which is a lesson that I learned from this. But anyways, so I finished like 250 somewhere around that area in the event. I wasn't pushing for top 10. I do not care about top 10. I'll let other people have that. Uh, Simply because it's just such a waste of stamina to try and do all of that, and time. I mean, it's so time consuming, especially when you're doing it the poo poo way. The fights take 30 to 45 minutes, and honestly, I did not want to sit around for 50 more fights just to prove that I could make the top 10 for some EP contest. Like, who cares, honestly? I still got 10 ability crystals, 50 tickets, and a heart flag, just like the number one player or the number two or whatever. So, I'll let those guys worry about that stuff. Let me go ahead and favorite this while I'm here. But anyways, so this is what the abilities are. You get 4 life draws, which is like a 20% chance according to a lot of people. Uh, could be more than that, but I don't think so. But we'll see. The biggest benefit of this card is definitely the Earth Skill Seeds. Earth Skill Seeds are kind of hard to farm. There's not a real good area to do it. Tyro would be a good place, except for the fact that Tyro's modifiers are like just awful. A lot of times you're getting like a 7.5, 10 modifier. Sometimes you get as high as 14, but that's kind of rare. Um, so, Tyro's not the best place to go for it. Now, I augmented my stone spell in preparation for Odin, and I need to get it unlocked. So I'm using my stone spell instead of Fafnir, which is usually what I use. But anyways, that's my setup. Is Heartful Egg, Goblin King with Fat Choco and Moogle. Um, I don't have Aerith and Tifa leveled just yet. I'm still working on it. Honestly, like I'm not a big Tifa, not a big Aerith and Tifa fan, anyways. I think Moogle's better for what you get. The extra turns matter, especially when you're talking about the Tyro fight, because sometimes you just get bad damage dealers, and you need the second break to finish the fight. Now, I'm not saying that um, I'm not going to make the argument about Aerith and Tifa right now. That can be done at another time. But anyways, let's get into this fight and kind of show you what's going on here. Um, should be able to get some people together really quickly. But anyways, the October calendar came out, and there's some very interesting things that are coming down the line. I really am interested to see which cards are coming out in October. Um, the Pictology cards, a lot of people are saying that they look like crap, but I'm almost positive that they're wrong. Um, there's some decent cards in there, and there's a new version of the Jack Shot slash, um, there's a new version of the Jack Shot basically coming out for Earth, which means that Odin's going to be fairly easy. Plus, the new cards are all, from what I understand, they're all fast learner cards. Now, I could be wrong about that, but my understanding of it is that they're all fast learner cards. They all come right at the stars. Everything's already augmented. Everything's already done. So you don't have to do anything to the cards, which is amazing. A lot of people are like, "Oh, I want to be able to augment them." Well, yeah, maybe for like way down the line that would be nice, but I'm okay with them being fast learner cards because they're already really strong. They don't need to get really any stronger. Vanilla and Fang and Aerith and Tifa, or not Aerith and Tifa, Vanilla and Fang and Titus Inject would be like so busted as 5-star cards. It really kind of break the game, and honestly, like I don't know why anybody would want to do that. Um, they're already really strong. As a matter of fact, I think somebody and JP just used them recently to get like 400 boss kills and was like doing some insane amount of damage. He's basically just hard casting without worrying about break and just killing, wrecking things with it. Um, so if you really want to sit there and argue for 5 stars, then I mean, I guess that's okay. But it just there's just no point, man. Anyways, so as you can kind of see here, through the first turn of rounds, I did get, maybe like an extra hard orb. The the generation off of this is not as good as what it was initially thought. Like everybody was like just basically drooling over this card at first, thinking that it was going to be like some miracle pill that fixed all the support's problems or something, and you're going to get like a full bar of hard orbs and never have to worry about hard orbs or whatever. That's kind of how it was advertised and how the hype surrounding the card was. And there was a lot of people who pushed for top 500 for the card, and like seriously, it it was like barely worth it. I just I don't see the appeal. It's taking up a very important card slot. As a matter of fact, in my current setup, it's taking up the heal card slot because you don't really need heals for Tyro. Um, so maybe later on down the line, when supports get access to more multi spells, then this is going to be useful. But as it stands right now, uh, I mean, losing your single target spell is not really an option because you break down the orange bar. You're with when you have that, and that helps the party just so much. Like you wouldn't understand unless you played an attacker just how much that sets up for the party and things. Um, so I just feel like it's going to have limited uses. Now, breakers could find use for it. I think one of the reasons why breakers setups were so tight this time around for free was because they had to bring a fire poo poo for survivability, and probably later that's not going to be the case. So we'll see. Basically, that's kind of what that's actually kind of where I'm at with this card is like we'll see. Um, I don't plan on using it at least for the short term unless it's just for a seed farm setup because as you can see here I've got basically every seed under the sun at 100k plus except for my earth skill seeds because I just recently finished samurai. So um, I'm probably going to use it just because I need earth seeds. But aside from that, it's probably going to go into my card bank after I'm done getting all the earth seeds that I feel like I need. Um, and it'll stay there until I feel like it's useful again. So anyways, that's kind of the Heartful Egg demonstration in a nutshell, guys. I'll make a video specifically about the October calendar as soon as it comes up in game and there's a lot more details about it. The Facebook post that came out kind of highlighting some of the things that are coming out. Um, it has no specifics, and I don't want to do a video for it unless I have specifics. But anyways, I will get that out to you within the next day or two, and I'll see you guys next video.